Drug discovery companies right now face a lot of pressure to bring drugs that are going to be efficacious in patients. In the past, companies have launched drugs that may or may not work in certain people. So there is pressure to understand at an even deeper level which are the patients that are going to be the most responsive to the drugs that the company is selling, that the company is launching. Predictive Oncology helps accelerate the drug discovery process by utilizing a product that we call PETAL. The PETAL platform brings together artificial intelligence with a biobank of tumor samples. This is a biobank of over 150,000 samples from real patients. Nobody else has this. Nobody else is able to bring that richness of data, of the heterogeneity that is found in that tumor collection to the early drug discovery space. And on top of that, combine it with artificial intelligence to make the strongest, best, most confident predictions for drug responders. And when we have validated all of the proof of concept work that we have done, we found that the predictions were made at a 92% accuracy. That is incredibly valuable considering the fact that we have tested only about 3% of the experimental space. Yet the predictions that it made, which had never been tested in the lab, were 92% accurate. By being able to test these drugs in tumor samples through the biobank that we have and combining the artificial intelligence with that biobank, the drug discovery teams are going to be able to increase the probability of technical success, to increase the confidence that they have in moving any of the candidates later into the drug development space. This is important because every drug that is moved into the clinical represents a high level of commitment to a drug discovery company. That is when they make a big commitment of how much money they're going to be spending in clinical trials, which we all know are pretty expensive. I am most excited about the possibility of drug companies developing their programs sooner, faster, and being able to bring amazing drugs to market for patients. Ultimately, we're doing all of this to make sure that patients at the end of the line are getting the treatment that they need to cure their cancers.